Top 5 Bluetooth speaker. Number 5. Bose SoundLink Color. Innovative Bose technology packs bold sound into a small voice prompts talk you through Bluetooth pairing so it's easier than ever. Built-in mic for speakerphone. Enjoy up to 8 hours of playtime. Water-resistant speaker. Please check out the description for details and update prices. Number 4. Echo Spot White. Use the built-in speaker or connect to speakers through Bluetooth. Call almost anyone hands-free, or make video calls. Echo Spot is designed to fit anywhere in your home. Use the built-in speaker or connect to speakers through Bluetooth. Cloud-based voice service. Please check out the description for details and update prices. Number 3. Ultimate Ears Boom 2 Yeti. Insanely good, loud 360-degree sound with deep bass. Portable design so you can bring the music anywhere. Waterproof *, shockproof, designed. 100 feet Bluetooth wireless range. 15-hour battery life. Please check out the description for details and update prices. Number 2. All new Sonos One. Start and control your music with your voice. Enjoy surprisingly rich, room-filling sound from a smart speaker. Play songs, check news and traffic. Awesome design. Connects to your home Wi-Fi. Please check out the description for details and update prices. Number 1. Bose SoundLink Revolve. 100 feet Bluetooth wireless range. Seamless aluminum body is durable and water resistant. Pair 2 speakers together for stereo. Deep, loud, and immersive sound. Enjoy up to 12 hours playtime. Please check out the description for details and update prices.